So we see Cape levels up. We can see that. Okay, we're gonna go to the NAM 3 Kelm model for you guys. Let's move into the night hours. Cape is still up in these regions, but the Cape back in time. Look, this not even Cape. Here it goes. This is when the Cape goes up. And then we're gonna see. Alright, that's what we're seeing. So tomorrow, let's talk about tomorrow's severe risk. Tornadoes, wind, and hail. So we're seeing enhanced risk once again tomorrow. Marginal risk possibly for so the wind, the hail threat, the winds there, hail. I want to see this. That's that. So along here. We're gonna go to regions on here. We're gonna go to radar. We're going to South Central Texas. Here's that tensing line of storms. You can see this big giant line. Okay. So we're gonna see how the storms start to form. There's that line going south. We're going to go to the regions again. We're gonna go to this area. This is where the storms are. This is where the main action's going to be. Into the evening hours, you can already see that it still has that hook. You can see embedded tornadoes in this squall line of thunderstorms is likely with this. Showers of storms pop up in the north there, and then weakens by the time it reaches us. So we might not get anything. So I don't know what's gonna happen. But this line, if it intenses as it goes east, we're gonna go check out the AccuWeather site on here. Okay, let's go. We're not checking out the weather for tonight. I know I'm going to tell you about one thing about the next weather. Watch for a thunderstorm late. Let's go to the radar right now. We're going to check it out. Okay, we're going to check out the squall line on here, see what you get on here. We are checking out that squall line. So we're gonna check out the squall line on here, guys. Just give it a minute to load. Okay, we're going towards Illinois. Okay, here's that particular squall line. Yeah, look at this purple along here. Look at these storms. If you can see this, let's go back in the past. And boom, we can see that? There's that storms there. We're gonna take it for the future timing. Here we go, big storm, big storm. Okay. Alright, let's go check out these storms here. Alright, we got more cells popped up here. Let's go back in time. Let's go. Let's track these storms as they just pop up over the region. You can just see them. If you go back. Okay, let's go forward again. Here goes that big storm that popped up. Let's go to some more storms. And then we'll go to those other storms down there. So, okay, we got more storms. You can see in Paducah and Johnsbury, Missouri. Let's start the backwards transition. Here's our storm right here. A tornado warning. Let's go into forward motion. You can see storms that are popped up. Let's go to some storms here. Okay, we'll go down to the Atlanta ones here. We're going to these ones. Charlotte. You can see these ones are Charlotte. We're gonna go back to. I'm gonna continue the coverage here. See the strong supercells. That's what that line we associated with last night's line. But let's go down to these thunderstorms. These are nasty storms, dropping down several tornadoes. Not very, very large hail, but if we go back in time for you guys. So we're gonna go forward. See, these storms are popping up over there, so we're seeing them severe weather storms there. So got some power back there. So we're looking at so we're gonna go back to our. We're gonna. Tornado warning. So we're seeing more coverage take place, and right, still keeping an eye on this. Storm's still blowing up over there. Let's take a zoom out. Hey Jay, I'm coming out too. Okay, thanks. I got time to cover it, so that there's that enhanced. Scattered to strong, severe thunderstorms are expected with damaging winds, large hail, and a few tornadoes possible. Hail. Oh. Oh my gosh. Confirmed. Confirmed tornado. 6 miles of South Cache or 14 miles southwest of Johnsbury, moving southeast of. Tornadoes on the ground. Take cover now. Move to his lower shoulder. Ooh. Tornado reserves hail 1.75 inches. Tornado season is officially here. Things has been active. It's been an active tornado season so far. We're gonna go check out this Easter severe weather threat. Here we go. We're gonna go into progress with this. Okay, severe. We're gonna see more storms. You can already see that. Day 4, day 5. Good night. Okay, marginal risks, no big deal. Not a big deal. Today on Detroit Muscle, we're going to get our stroke on. It's Pontiac Power Plant Palooza as we dump the Donkey 400-inch engine in our giveaway Trans Am in favor of 550 horsepower stroke or Fury. Plus a treasure hunt for another legendary Pontiac. We're going to continue this live coverage and for the night hours. Okay, what else we're going to check out is our storm down here. Still saying tornado warning. Severe weather statement.
plans Tommy and I have include giving it quite a power boost. Try over 300% of what it had before. Well, time to start tinkering on this trippy Trans Am.
Now, when it comes to Pontiac Performance, we knew exactly who to call. Would you guys meet Rodney and David Butler with Butler Performance out of Leona, Tennessee? How you guys doing?
Good, great to be here. Look forward to working with you guys again.
Just in case you guys haven't heard of Butler Performance, let us introduce you to them.
If there's one name that's synonymous with Pontiac power, it's the guys at Butler Performance, known across the world as the go-to gurus for Pontiac engine building, working up anything from a factory restoration to high-end drag racing work. We've used them before on several builds and are never disappointed in the power and reliability they can build into one of these light blue blocks. So now that you know who these guys are, let's get down to the important stuff. David, what you bring for us to play with?
We brought a Pontiac 455 block to replace the retired 400 in the Trans Am. Good thing about a Pontiac is there are no big block or small blocks. They're all the same size. The 455 is a direct bolt in where the 400 was.
So how does the guy know he's got a 455?
First, in the valley, you'll have two fives. 455. It's a 400. You'll have two zeros here.
Okay.
Also on the driver's side, you'll see the engine size cast right on the side of the block.
Okay, what about your machine work?
We went with a 60 overbore, and a bore and home with torque plate, which is really critical on Pontiac. We also squared that block. Our spotting goes to replace the factory dowel skins to locate the main.
Severe thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. Very large hail, golf ball or larger. Damaging wind, 16 miles an hour. A few tornadoes.
When using a 400, the main thing you want to look for is a thick main versus a
Okay.
thin main. Thin main block won't handle the horsepower we'll be making with this build. Most 75 and later 400s were thin main blocks, just like you had in your TA up there.
Okay, I think we'll keep what we got here.
As for a crankshaft, what do you guys like to use?
We're going to use this Eagle armor coated crankshaft. It's got a 4.250 stroke, so we got a more side. It's going to end up 474 cubic inches.
Now, when he says stroker, for you guys at home that don't know, this is what he's talking about. An engine's displacement is based around the volume of the cylinders, and it's rated by either cubic inches or liters. The more displacement you have, the more potential for power. This is why you get
This is what the tornado.
no replacement for displacement. You can increase that amount by increasing the travel of the piston with a longer stroke of the crank. Hence the name stroker. Now you can't just buy a crankshaft, throw it in something, and make a big bunch of power. All these components have to be matched all together from top to bottom to make big power that's going to live for longer than a day, right?
That's correct. Not only match components, but this crankshaft is perfectly balanced to these rods and pistons. As for rods, we're using this Eagle A-spring design. Now, this rod is considered a long rod for a Pontiac. It's 6.8 inches long.
Now when you guys were unboxing these, I was checking them out. You guys are probably pretty proud of those, aren't you?
Yes, we are. This is a Butler Performance exclusive forged Ross piston. It features flat top design and the latest strut design for strength and durability. In the end, Tom, we developed a line of pistons for a number of Pontiac applications.
We're gonna go check out the storms on the satellite picture.
What we need to do is drop this crank. Oh wait, the thing's heavy. We gotta get the main caps off. So I guess we better do that.
Still ahead.
See them storms that are big thunderstorms.
Trans Am and get into the nitty-gritty about making big power with natural aspiration. Then learn how to decode a GTO to see if you've got your
Sad words.
Okay, we are back and ready to put together the bottom end of our 474 Pontiac engine. And
Okay, you can see cloud tops there, pretty good. Recommend the cloud tops.
By the way, this 4340 forging is a big upgrade from the.
I'm gonna come out with you.
Madam, want to take a selfie out. Stay there, do your video, and I'll come back and you get ready to go.
Okay, I'm gonna make this video 20 minutes, Dad.
What are you doing it for about 20 minutes?
I'm gonna make this video about that time. You can see the very big clouds up there. Get that thunderstorm, Jesus. There's a lot of water vapor with that. So that thunderstorm's getting closer.